Hi, I'm Rui from Infraspeak. You know that feeling when you're constantly firefighting, something breaks, contractor is late, and suddenly your whole day is gone? I've seen it too, across so many facilities management teams around the world. You're doing everything right, but there's always something else to fix, more data to check, more systems to manage, and somehow you still make it all work every single day. But deep down, you know it can't go on like this. Because this constant firefighting isn't just chaos, it's a pattern. We call it the facilities management reactive loop. The answer isn't to react faster. The answer is to see earlier, decide earlier, and act earlier. That's why we built Infraspeak Gear AI back in 2020, long before the current wave of artificial intelligence. In 2020, Gear AI wasn't just another tool. It was like having a digital brain inside your operation. It brought you alerts, insights, and suggestions to help you understand what was happening and make smarter decisions. For the first time, you could stop guessing and start truly knowing what to do. Then, in 2023, came the second generation, automation. Gear AI evolved to work more and more on its own. You could define your own logic, and Gear would simply make things happen. More than 20 million possible combinations of automated workflows, connected teams, processes, and systems. For many teams, that changed everything for the better. But for us, it raised an even bigger question. What's next? Because automation isn't the end of the story. It's just the beginning of something much greater in Infraspeak's vision. Most of what's being said about artificial intelligence in facilities management stops at fancy dashboards or chatbots layered on top of very old systems. That's not transformation. Real intelligence doesn't just live in a dashboard. It changes outcomes. It sees the whole operation, anticipates what's coming, and makes sure the right work happens at the right moment. That's what we call working intelligence. And that's exactly where we are heading. Welcome to the era of predictive facilities management. Welcome to Infraspeak Gear AI 3.0. Gear AI 3.0 is our vision for the future of intelligence at Infraspeak. It's designed to learn from everything: your assets, your suppliers, your teams, your budgets, your IoT data. It learns, it adapts, it improves. And what used to be a reactive cycle becomes a strategic predictive loop, where every decision makes the next one even smarter. You can start with the data you already have: your work orders, maintenance history, and supplier performance. Gear AI builds on your operation layer by layer, and you can add IoT wherever it makes sense and delivers real value. Imagine this in practice. Your Infraspeak Gear AI detects a performance pattern across a set of HVAC units using only your own data. Before failures multiply, Gear AI adjusts maintenance plans, alerts the right supplier, and reorganizing schedules to protect your SLAs. Or your team receives an alert that certain inspections are falling behind. And before any compliance risk appears, the system creates the right tasks and assigns them automatically. Now imagine that same intelligence applied in an IoT-enabled environment. Let's say you manage cleaning services across a large shopping center or airport. Instead of fixing cleaning schedules, sensors continuously monitor foot traffic, humidity, and occupancy across restrooms. Gear AI analyzes that data in real time and detects peaks in usage at specific times of the day. Before any complaints or negative feedback reach you, the system automatically reprioritizes cleaning tasks, notifies available teams, and reallocates resources to meet demand. At the same time, it updates the plan for the rest of the day, balancing workloads so no one is overburdened and every area maintains the same level of service. This is our vision. This is prediction turning into prevention, insight becoming intelligent action, a calmer, more predictable rhythm where people and assets and decisions work together. Less noise, more foresight, more time for strategy. Because facilities management is no longer just about fixing problems. It's about creating value. It's about driving performance, sustainability, and confidence for your teams, your clients, and every person who shops, works, travels, studies, or receives care in your buildings. Welcome to the era of predictive facilities management, and welcome to a world where humans and technology truly work as one with Infraspeak Gear AI, intelligence that works focused on what really matters.